In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook Ads Manager time zone full 2026 guide 5 minutes. Before we jump in, a quick note. Changing your time zone affects how your reports, billing cycles, and ad schedules line up with your day. Pick the time zone you actually want to optimize around and make sure you have the right permissions on the ad account you're updating. Some accounts may restrict edits to currency and time zone. If you don't see the option, you may need admin access or a different account setup. Start by heading to Facebook Ads Manager. You can search for it or go directly to the Ads Manager page. On the landing page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials securely and complete any verification steps, then click Login to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard. This is where you typically manage campaigns, ad sets, and ads. For the time zone change, we need the billing area. Open the left-hand navigation or the account menu and select Billing and Payments. This will take you to the Billing Hub, where you'll find invoices, payment methods, and account settings tied to billing. Next, click Payment Settings. On this page, scroll down until you see the Business Info section. This area holds key details about the ad account, including currency and time zone. Click Edit to make changes. Look for the currency and time zone fields. Focus on the time zone dropdown and select the time zone you want to use going forward. Choose the one that matches where you or your clients primarily operate or where your reporting needs to align. Keep in mind that daily budgets reset at midnight in the selected time zone, and scheduled ads follow this setting too, so choose the one that best matches your working hours and reporting cadence. After you've made your selection, click Save. Give it a moment to process. If you see an error or the fields are locked, it usually means the account doesn't allow edits to these settings. In that case, confirm your role on the account or check whether a new ad account is required for a different currency or time zone. To wrap up, return to your campaign's dashboard and confirm that reporting reflects the new time zone. You can compare delivery and spend around the daily reset to make sure everything aligns. And remember, historical data won't be rebased. The change applies moving forward. That's it. Your Facebook Ads Manager time zone is updated. If this was helpful, follow along for more quick practical guides.